Hello and welcome to 365 Days of Excelling with Clive. Today we look at paste transpose. In this scenario, we have data which is in a horizontal table and we want to transpose it into a vertical table like the one below here. So my data is currently arranged going this way, but I want it to be arranged going downwards. So we use paste transpose to convert it. So how do we do that? So you select your data. You copy it. Then you select where you want to paste your data. And you go to paste special. Then on the options that come, you select on transpose. So you can choose whether you want to just paste values and so on. But here you have to make sure you click on transpose here. Make sure the box is checked. Then you say OK. So that's it, guys, with paste transpose. Enjoy.